Hey everyone, I have had a couple of you reach out to ask how can I get the award certificates into Flyer, so I just wanted to make a quick video. So in the certificate folder from the one pager, when you open these PDFs up, you'll see that you can't get the certificate quite on a full screen. If you have an extended screen, it will work, but if you're using your laptop screen, what you'll need to do is download the files. I know that that can be annoying, but it'll work for you. Then when you open up the file, X out of the bar, and then what you can do is zoom out on the certificate so that you get the full size of the certificate. And then you will want to have the snip and sketch open. You will select new or click new, and then you'll do a screenshot. And so if I was Grace, I would then click save, and I'll just title it Ryan Shaver Core Value Award, and then save it to whatever location. I'm just going to save it to my desktop. And then when you go into Flyer and you send a message for you will have, Mike Franklin's making all sorts of fun noises. Thanks for the listening. So you'll select your advisor, you'll do all of that. And then we can title it Tribe 1 Award Ceremony. You can type in your personal messages. Hello, Shaver family. Hope you are all doing well. So glad you were able to join us. Attached is my list about knowing that Ryan will have more than one award. Here is the link for the YouTube recording of our Tribe Awards. Okay, so then I would go to the one pager. You would get the link from the YouTube recording just to make sure that that is accessible. Thanks for watching me and all of the slowness of this technology. You can click this link, that will save there. And then to attach the photo, you simply go to the part of the message that you want. You go to this image, you click upload, browse for an image, go to Ryan Core Value, hit save, and bam, it is there. And you can make it as large as you would like. So that is a great way. And if family wants a larger version of this, you can also send an email with an attachment so that they have the larger size PDF. If there's other ways, please let me know, but this is the quickest and easiest.